Hey there. Music was mega loud earlier, I think. Too bad. Ooh, sorry. Let me raise my mic a little bit so I don't hit it when I'm drawing here. Because today I'm trying to make a tile set. So how big is a tile set is the first question. So if I want to do tiles that are 16 by 16, do I want to do tiles that are 16 by 16 actually? Let me open Godot here. Because I've been doing sprites in 32 by 32. I mean, if I get it wrong, I'll change it later. This is just a placeholder because I need stuff to make walls and whatnot, get collisions in, stuff like that. So as I was saying, these thingies are 32 by 32. Therefore, a tile would also need to be 32 by 32 in theory, so that an item fits within a tile, right? Kind of, sort of? Or should I... Why is my camera not focusing on me? No, whatever. Because I feel like 32 by 32 is too much detail, but maybe it's not. So these guys are 16 by 16 actually. Why are they the same size as these things? That is a good question, huh? Let me see. This enemy is using this sprite, which is 16 by 16. What about the pickups? So that would be item pickup here, and here we have this 32 by 32. Makes sense that this is 32 by 32 because once I play, it does look like these items fit inside that square, right? But these cats are larger. Did I change the scaling on this somewhere? Transform, one change. No, that's just the position. Scale is 1:1. I don't get it. Like, let's see the player, for example. Open the scene. So the icon that comes with Godot is 128 by 128. 128 by 128, that's... Then things are not lining up, I don't know why. Like, this seems like it's double the length and height of this, right? The size is doubled. But this is 32 by 32 in theory, and this is 4 times bigger. 128 by 128. While this is 16 by 16, I don't know what's going on. Like, these backgrounds for the actives, for example, are 64 by 64, which is roughly the size of the player, right? If I just walk down here, yeah, pretty much, right? So why is the player 64 by 64, or the other way around? Why is this thing scaled up? Like all these icons are 32 by 32, and I doubled their size here, I think. Let's see, action bar. Ability 3 is the laser, right? We have the laser in here, which I saying the name is 32 by 32, but let me open it. Where I have it? Laser, laser, laser. Am I blind? Laser. The engine is telling me that this is 32 by 32. So far so good. And in here, I think I am in the layout changing this. Wait, what's the change? Transform. I said it would be 64 by 64. I'm doubling its size. I'm saying you're 64 by 64. Since it's 38 by 38, the size is doubling, whatever. So this is 64 by 64 then. Ability. This is where I have my background. The texture, 64 by 64. And if I look at the transform, it says 64 by 64. Whatever. Scale is 1. Is the scale here too? Actually didn't see that. Does it have a scale? Scale is 2. What if I do this and say scale 2? It's the same effect, no? Yeah. So these are 64 pixels, right? For sure. And I would believe that this is double the size of this, right? So far so good, but the cat is not the size of this, and it should be half the size of this, right? Like, let's draw some cats down here. This cat looks like half the size, so 32 by 32. It's double the size I would expect. Why is that? Animation sprite. Scale 2, okay. Oh, I thought they were too small at some point and made it and increased the scale of this, huh? How small are they if I do this? Pretty small. So I guess it would, in theory, with this viewport size, which is, does it tell me here? Pretty big. I have no idea what a good size for this is. But I would say that the cats probably also want to be 32 by 32, right? Let me see if on the player. Oh, scale, I'm halving it. Okay, all makes sense now. But I think most my things will be 32 by 32. And eventually I guess the player will be 64 by 64, or I mean I can make him slim like 64 by 38, something like that. And maybe some bigger enemies could be 64 by 64 or something, I don't know. But how does that leave me with the tile size? Still needs work. Rated. Thanks for the raid. I'm doing a prototype for a game where you kind of have to face hordes of cats, and you have some abilities and items to help you deal with them. And that's it. So far I can throw balls to distract them, and I can drop some food, and if they hit the food they get happy and go away. What's going on here? No instance. Well, that's just great. Oh, Appreciate the follow, man. What was I trying to instantiate here? Some item, I think the path is wrong for the prefab or whatever it's called. Yeah, because I changed the name of the gourmet cat food because the name was too long, and I changed the name but only here to gourmet can, but I didn't change it here. Yeah. Rename these gourmet can and this text scene as well. Going to head off to bed. Good night. Hope you have a great stream. Thanks. Going off to bed now, huh? Where do you leave? Like Australia or something? Gourmet can. That should work. Wait. The name of the sprite is also wrong. I have that on my game manager. Right, because I didn't change it here. Which one is it? Cat food, gourmet cat food is gourmet can. Wait, what? There. Right, okay. Forgot I changed the naming of that. So I was saying that I don't know how big should my tiles be. Why is my camera not focusing? Huh? There we go. I was actually gonna ask ChatGPT because I have no idea. How big should my tiles be in my tile set? Right, target resolution, platform, art style, retro, classic. Based on resolution. Wait. Right, like this. 80 by 45. By 22 is very little, right? Let's try 16 by 16. Try and fail, I guess. So, how big do I want this? Like 160? Enough for 10 tiles? High and 10 tiles long? I don't know. Okay, and I want a grid that's 16 by 16 so I know what I'm doing. There. Wait, it's the same thing as the checkerboard pattern behind, but whatever. Okay, and about palette, I think I'm just gonna pick some random palette that's available. Load default palette. Hello? Oh, this is the default. Wait, doesn't Aseprite have like a set of default palettes? What's going on? I'll use this one, whatever, I don't care. So I want to do some flooring first. And I want to do it like A wood flooring? Wait. Hello? Ah. Why is my brush not brushing? Oh, that's awkward. Why is my brush not brushing? My bucket's working. How come my brush not brushing? Wait, no, it's brushing. I don't know what happened. Okay. Something's wrong with my pencil thingy. Gotta be one of these settings. I don't remember changing it, but is it this thing? It was that thing. What is this? Disable nib. I don't know what that is. Alright. Okay. Let's say that's like board color thing. Now I need to do the grooves. 16 by 16. How do I divide this? 4 times? 4 times, that would be 3 for the board and 1 for the groove. Right? Is my math wrong or what? I think it's right. Okay. And then just do some of these. Let's see. So this is 16 across. If I want to divide it by 3, I can't really do that. Wait, yeah, I cannot. But if I only divide it by 2, then the thingies are gonna be the full 16. I need to divide this. Wait. If I divide this in 3, when I stack 2 together, does that add up? Because I'm dividing... I don't know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Okay. Then let's shift this. What is half of 7? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this. Is this right? Looks okay-ish here. So now, if I duplicate this, should look okay. Looks okay, right? I mean, super basic, but fine for what I want now. So I want to do walls. What is good? A good wall color. Thing yellowish? Are walls yellow? So I want a top wall, side walls, down wall, and something that's in the corner, right? So what if I go like this? Whoopsie. Okay. Nope. Not what I wanted to do. Alright. Fill all of this in with the selection. There's gotta be a way to do that. Nah. I'll just do a big brush. How do I increase brush size? Let me see. Keyboard shortcuts. Brush size. Is it with this? No. Isn't there a... Wait. Tolerance. Oh. There? Okay, I can do this. Okay. Wait, oh, I painted this. So in some sort of like detail at the edge, right? Is there a super fast way to do dithering? So I can make like this kind of shaded like this? Let's see. In a sprite, is there a way to do automatically? How do you write dithering? I'm gonna search because I'm embarrassed of trying to write it myself. Okay. This ring over large areas. No built-in. Gradient tool. Select two colors. Select the gradient tool. On the top bar, click the drop down. Okay, two colors. The colors I want is this and this. Now G? G gradient. Nah, G's not gradient. Being trolled. G is bucket thingy. I've actually used the gradient thing, but I don't know what the shortcut is. I mean, I'll just do a little bit and copy it. It's gotta be semi-fast. Feel really stupid doing this, but I don't feel like spending a bunch of time knowing how to do this faster. So if I just go marquee these, I can start dropping this around. Ooh. Oh, I could have done instead. Hello? Oh. Something like this, right? Actual checkerboard pattern thingy. Is that cooler? Probably a lot cooler. This looks weird, doesn't it? She. Right. Do this. And this. And this. Wait. Misplayed? Wait, what? Oh, now I need to do this? Oh, that's awkward. Right, whatever. Now I go like this. Wait. Like this. Feels so stupid. Is it looking good? It's okay-ish. can like maybe fill up what's left after this. It's not that much work. Okay. Wait, what? Should look up how to do this more efficiently. Wait, what happened here? Why does it look weird? Oh, I pasted over here probably. There. Okay, all done. Gonna save this before I do something I regret. Save. Let's call it, I don't know, just style set for now. Instead of asking stupid ass ChatGPT, I should have just searched it. Is bright dithering. Set up dithering. 4 minutes? I mean, I got the time, but I thought it would be simpler. Is there an efficient way within pixel art program a sprite to make dithering type texture? What is it? You can create dithering brushes using the custom brushes feature. Ah. So I need to make a custom brush? I believe the gradient fill tool can be changed to fill with the dither gradient. A sprite gradient tool. I have a cheat sheet somewhere here for a sprite. What? .502 is what again? Server error? 500 is server error? 502 is what? Bad gateway? The hell? It's not available. Oh no. Gradient tool. It's not in here. What is the blur tool? Right. I don't even know where to search for it. Here it opened. I don't know why. Gradient. Where's that? No, not gradient. Gradient. Shift G. Shift G. No dithering. And then you can do Bayer matrix? Bayer matrix. What the hell is this? I guess. What now? So I select this color and this color. What is this blue here? Oh. What? Add what? I don't want to add. How do I get rid of this? Foreground color, background color. But how do I select the colors I want for this? What? I don't want a new color. I want one of these colors in here. What? But I guess if you just want a full... Yeah, the gradient tool works if you want to go from one color to the other. But if you just want to have like a pattern, you need the custom brush, I imagine. So how do I make a new brush? More...
Entregas rápidas e grátis.
Speed up dithering painting in Aseprite. From Mort.
That bicycles here. Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you
For a
how
minute.
you can make dithering brushes like this and flip between them super fast without having to click anything other than a button on your keyboard.
Sure, let's go.
So first off, I quickly want to talk about what dithering is, and
No need,
you
dude.
can get an idea from watching this that you can see we are blending between two colors here by only using those two colors. So it's a method of saving your color count. Here you can see a few images I've done with dithering, although I have used some colors in there to actually emulate something you might also be familiar with. You've probably seen drawings like these on things like Twitter and elsewhere, and they are made in a software called Flipnote Studio, which was an app for the Nintendo DS and 3DS. It had a certain
What is he
style
on
to
about?
it, and dithering was a big feature in that app. So you can see it's something you used to do back in the
Move on, dude,
comics and
please.
mangas. In order to make custom brushing for
Full
Aseprite,
history on
go up
dithering.
here and click on the brush type. You can see here I have my brushes right here, but I'll show you how you can also make them.
Brush type. Wait. What is this? Oh, the selection I had before. Oh, technically, what I did was make a brush when I was doing all of that stuff, or what's going on here? Save brush here. Let's see how you make one.
Or delete all my brushes. So I start out with the first pattern here, some are selected, and you can see I'm also selecting the negative space here. And that's actually very important, because if I were just to select the black dot, I would just make a normal brush.
Of
So
course.
to make the dithering brush, I have to select the negative space as well in order to actually make the brush.
Yes.
So let's select it, press Ctrl B,
So I
and
want-
when I press Ctrl B, you can see up here, I now have a
Yeah.
new brush. Now if I were to go over here and press
Wait, but
Ctrl
how do I
B,
save it?
you can
What?
see I get the next brush.
So I go like this. Wait. I make a selection, right? And I only need this in theory. Right? Wait. I missed something.
Also make them. I'm going to delete all my brushes. So I start out with the first pattern here, some are selected, and you can see I'm also selecting the negative space here. And that's actually
Oh, you just use the marquee and then go to the brush and it's right here? No. What?
very important, because if I were to
Right.
bring brush, so let's select it, press
Select it.
Ctrl B, and when I
Control
press
B.
Ctrl B,
Oh,
you can see
Control
up
B.
here, I now
So I by mistake pressed Control B at some point and I did this. How do I delete all my brushes like I did? Delete all. Okay, now I have this selected and I go Control B. And I have this here. And I can use this. And I can do dithering. Whee! Okay. Good. Because now I need two other things. I need to create the reverse. Should these walls be thinner and have more thingy on this? Maybe have this go halfway over there. You know what I mean? So how do I do that? I like this. Should have done 2 layers. I'm an idiot. Can I... What if I do new layer? So this one I'm gonna call it... How do I rename this? How do you rename this? Properties? The hell? Floor actually? Floor? And the second layer is wall? Right? And I'm gonna... So, wait. My stuff is all on wall, so I'm gonna copy what I have on wall. Wait, what if I just... I was thinking of... yeah, whatever. Floor. Paste this, I guess. So now... in the floor, I can do what I had earlier, which is just duplicate this a bunch. Right, so now my... What did I just do? So now my floor is a floor. Where did my wall go? What did I just do? Right. So you go. I need to click you. Do this. And now turns out you are actually the floor for some reason. And can I name it the same as the other one? Yes. Walls. Right. And on the walls, I just select with the magic tool thingy. Without contiguous this and this. And this. Wait, whatever. Like that, right? There we go. As intended. And now if I wanna increase this, I just need to move the walls back. Right? So let's say I want it over here or something. So halfway. Right? Something like that, but not as thin like this. I think. And here I do the same. Wait, what happened here? Oh, crap. What if I pull up my dithering brush thingy? Can I just fix this straight up? No. What? That's inconvenient. Well, I can select everything here, do this, and then delete this bit here, right? And here I do the same thing. So how much did I do it here? Wait, I didn't want it this much, did I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here it's 9 then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There. Alright. Change brushes, Alt 1. How do I make this not... Oh, it doesn't work out. Wait. It should work out. Some way. Huh. Wait. What? How do I do these? Oh, I needed to move this back as well. What am I doing? I mean, should just draw what I want, I guess. Let me see. Erase this. If I do the symmetry thing, okay, let me see first. Alt 1. Well, the wall is going to be there. That's fine, actually. Tell you what. Off you go. Bam, bam. Now I just need to pull this over here. And the other thingy over there. Alright. And now I just start drawing. So what was I saying? Half the thingy is thingy? Right? So half 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So should walls have hard edges? No. I like it round for some reason. Too round though? Let's go more. Wait, am I off here? I'm off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. This whole thing is off, right? Shit. This is here, right? And this is here. Yes. Brush Alt 1. Oh my god. Can I fill this with this? Oh, I can. I just need to make a selection first then. Here. What did I just do? Right. And then this will be a sort of hard edge or something. And I don't have to worry about all of this stupid stuff going on here, I guess. So, too much. So it do, I guess. Oh, I should be using the thingy again. Probably. This could be darker here. Right? Orange is too orangey, right? Yeah. Yellow is too yellow. Gray is too gray. Or is it? It is, isn't it? Yeah, doesn't make any sense. I don't know if there's a way to make these walls more wall-like or wall-y. Maybe just one line here that's some other tone? I was trying to just use this palette, but I think I'm just gonna pick up a new color. Or is it an orange? Does an orange wallpaper work? I don't think so. Is this a little bit thicker than this one? I think so. Or is it? No, it isn't. Is it? Looks weird. Here. I guess it's just how that works. But the orange is terrible. I mean, I was using this, right? Just make it slightly darker? I don't know. Sure. Can I save this as a new color? Went down here. Can I move it up? No, I select it, then move it. Here actually. Okay. Now, what was I gonna do? Oh, the opposite of this. So I need more floors, I guess. Just lay out. What am I doing? Okay. Lay out a bunch more floors over here. Right, and I want to make walls that curve inward? Convex walls or something like that. So I only need like a tiny square for that, right? Oh, wait. Here. And where's the other one? Here. I want it here. Okay. So the same logic. Halfway wall and a halfway floor. This much. I don't know if this is gonna work out. Well, it should, right? The idea is that I can pick up this bit here and drop it here. You know? Wait, I'm drawing on the floors, am I not? Yes. Need to go to the wall layer. Let me get in a smaller grid, 8 by 8. There. So let's see. Do this. RP this. Brush. Alt 1. Fill this in, right? Wait. Oh, that was not what I was expecting. Oh, this is not how you do it. So I need to turn these off. Oh no, I need this. Actually. Sure. And I get this thing here again. Wait, I get this still? I go 2 here. Yeah. Does it look weird on these corners, or is it me? It's because of how the dithering works, no? I think so. Yeah, because here this and this are filled, and here these and these are empty. And it makes it look weird. I guess when it's small you don't notice it. And what I also want to do, besides this, is what? Oh, like this makes the edges, right? But what if I want just a very thin wall? I need another thingy, right? Which would be something like this. So this is one tile, this is not a tile, this is not a tile, this is not a tile. If I just want a thin wall, how do I make that tile? Oh, it needs to be in the middle of the tile. Right. And these off. Get this. So it would need to be like this, right? Then I can do this. Wait. Why am I so lazy? Let's see. Wait. Alright, like this, but cut off the edges here. Like so. So. And like so. And then do this. How does that look? Okay-ish, I think. Wait. I actually need a tile that's full of this. You know what I mean? So I need to do this. And do this. And then if I change the grid here again, you see that this one is a long thing. I can use several of them, and this one ends in the middle. I mean, I can make it end at the end, but I think ending in the middle makes sense. And do I need anything else just to make walls? I don't think so. I mean, let me just see that. I'll try this in Engine, maybe? I wanted to see if I put this at the end of one of these, if it works out. So I can just do this instead. Copy this little bit here. Put it over here, right? And I pick up one of these. So maybe this one. And I drop it here. Does it work? It does work, I think. Yeah, I think it works. So I don't need these two bits here. There. So save this. I technically don't need these tiles. Let's delete them for now. Oh. Can I delete this? Oh, I'm on the wall. Let's go to the floor. There we go. So how many tiles did I do? 5 by 3, 15. I have a canvas of 10 by 10, so whatever, doesn't matter. Can I reduce this canvas size afterwards? So file, edit. Transform? What? I mean, I can just save all of this for now. Whatever. It was just curiosity. So let's do export. Export as... I mean, not as a sprite sheet, right? As just a normal PNG. Let me see what that did. Looks good, I guess. I'm gonna try that in Engine, I guess, then. So how do you make tile sets again? I forgot. I need a tile layer thingy, right? Let's see, add tile map is deprecated, so you need tile map layer. Right, and if I want to do several, I just create a group to put the layers in. Okay. Actually, if I want to make a layer that's the floor and another layer that's walls, I should do this differently. Right? It should actually be... Well, let's keep this in case I want this. And let's do the other thing, which is this, right? And then I have this tile for floors. I just slapped this all over, and then I put these on top of them, right? What is export? Shift S? Yes. No, wait. What is it? Export as Control Alt Shift S. Control Alt Shift S. Holy. Override. Yeah. So I think I'll create a new. For now, I'll just slap it on here. So, wait, did I close this? Let's drop it in here somewhere. There we go, tile set. Now I have a tile map layer, which I'm going to duplicate. And I'm also going to create a 2D node. And I'm going to call, not inside of this. Not inside of this either. What? How do I? Hello? Can you get out, please? Jesus. Well, these go inside of this one. This one is called tile map. And this one goes on top, so it's the walls, right? It's rendered like this, no? Top down. Walls. And this one is the floor. Something like that. Now where do I put this? Here. Fine. It's here. Okay. Now my tile map layers need a tile set. So I just drag this on here. Is that how it works? Oh, I create a new tile set. A tile map. No tile source. This is my tile source. Wait, it's not like this. How do I tile set? Tile set in here. Atlas texture was modified. Would you like to automatically create tiles in the Atlas? I think yes is what you do here. Oh, there we go. So now using my tile map, I can go in here, right? Select this one, for example, go with this tool and just slam a bunch of floors in here. Colors are kind of terrible, but no problem. And now let's say that I want to paint. Oh, I forgot one tile actually, I think. Which is a full wall tile. Crap. You know what I mean? A tile that's all wall. I'm gonna slap it in here, I think. Yo, Paulo. It's right there. Do I have one that's all wall? I don't. What? This one is not a tile. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, I don't know. So what I can do is just select all of this. Pick up my dithering thing and just fill this. There we go. Save this. Sandy looking one. Yeah, it does look sandy. Well, that's why you're the artist, man. You should be doing the walls. What about the brick ones? See? They're not even supposed to be bricks. It's supposed to be wood flooring, man. So, can I re-import this or something? Re-import. No, that didn't work out. I think that worked out. But this thingy here, how do I do it again? The thing that creates new tile thing. There's no tile here. Shit. Trash this? Do it again? Yes. Wait, what did I do? Here? It's referencing stuff that doesn't exist anymore, right? I just paint it again, I guess? Tile map. Like this little bit here. This. Now I can make walls around. Or something, I don't know. And now I get this wall and go like this. This wall and go like this. Wait, I then goofed. There. This one here. Oh, wrong one. And the corner ones go on the corners. Bam. Brush thingy, I guess. Bam. There. Oh, but I forgot to do the thingy. Wait, what? Oh, wait. What did I do? Can I? There's a way to move stuff around, right? With the rectangle, wait, with the select tool. And I can select this bit here and move it down, right? Yeah. Same thing on this side. Oh. Tile map. Selection tool. Okay, but I forgot the thing where you make it so the walls have collision. How did that work again? Oh, I used the wrong tiles. Oh no. Oh, what have I done? I was supposed to use these ones. Oh man. Can I do... Oof. I deleted this thingy. Oh my god. Roll back everything. Okay. Whatever. To test this out, I don't need full walls. I just need some blocks in here. Let's do this. Wait, what? Oh, right. I need to go to the... Crap, I drew on the walls. Shit. Well, undo. Wait. Can I delete all of this or what? Okay. So I have my tile set. How do you do the thing where you give it collision shapes? Can just check out Brecky's tutorial real quick, I guess. Brecky's Godot.
Compre já com descontos até...
Shut up. Jesus. Okay. There's gotta be a tile stuff here, somewhere around here. Guess it's in world building? Okay.
World building.
World building.
So to build our world, let's begin by removing our collider here. We're going to build an actual ground for him to stand on. And let's instead add a tile map node. So let's press new node and search for tile map. Now, the most common way to create levels in 2D is by using tiles. In other words, we build our game world by drawing a
Yeah.
that we just on our tile map. You want to make sure is set correctly is the tile size. The tile set in our asset does indeed have 16 by 16 pixel tiles.
It's the default, no? Where do I see that? On my tile set? Where? How do, what? How do I open the inspector thingy? Tile map. Okay. Tile map and tile set. Okay. 16 by 16. Sure.
Leave that as is. Now at the bottom here you can see that we have two tabs. We have the tile set
Yes.
and configure this property. Undo sprite. We would like to make some more room here,
Wait,
and we can
yeah?
zoom in to view it. And as you can see, it's actually gone ahead and automatically
Uh-huh.
always used our eraser here to remove tiles. In this
Sure.
case here, it thinks that the top of the palm tree is
Right?
into one big case. It's actually something that, other than that, I think it looks tool enabled. You can always right click to remove. So I'm just gonna fast forward through me drawing out the level here. Actually just paint the bottom. Our player is going to fall right
Yes,
off.
very funny.
Then
Player
with this
falls.
layer we can go under our tile set, and here we need to choose what tiles belong to the physics layer. Because we
Wait, what?
our tiles. To do this, we go to our tile map, go under our tile set, physics layers,
Physics
and
layer,
add
add.
a new layer. Then with this layer, we can go under our tile set, and
set.
then we need to choose what tiles belong to the physics layer. Because we don't want to collide with everything in our tile map. The trees and bushes, we just want to pass right through. So
Yeah.
let's go to paint here. And
Paint.
the property that we want to paint is the physics layer.
Physics
0 we
layer.
just created. And now we can actually go ahead and paint onto our tiles
Yes.
these physics settings. So I'm simply going to paint this onto all the different solid
Okay,
tiles. And
I
if
got
you make
it.
a mistake and want to remove it,
So physics. Wait, wasn't it on physics? Or did it, maybe it's changed because he's using tile map, which is deprecated. Tile set? Physics layer. Wait, I was on the wrong thingy. It's inside the tile set. Physics layer, add element. Now I've added this thing. Now I go to the paint thingy here. No, on the tile set. Wait, what? Paint? And I select here physics layer, right? Wait, what?
tile, we go here, select these physics we just created. And now the property that we want to paint is the physics layer 0 we just created. And now we can actually go ahead and paint onto our tiles.
Why are my tiles not being painted? Is it because they're all faded out for some reason? Did I do something weird? Is in paint. Let me create this thing again. Okay. I don't know what I did there, but now I can paint. Yeah, okay, this collides with everything. Doesn't matter, but okay, I just want to draw collisions on this bottom one because it's the one I'm gonna use. So let's say if I put it here, I need to do this. Okay, can I make this larger? Oh, I can zoom in here. Okay, and now I just do all of these. Awesome. Should I move it? Yeah, I should move it in a little bit, I guess, to make it nicer for the player. Wait, oh, now I apply it. Okay. Here, like this. Sure. Here it goes like so. Wait, not a no, don't add a new thingy. Oh, wait. There. On this one, can I just move this? All of this? No. Wait. Hello, please? Man, this is a lot of work. Should be an easier way to do this. Please. Oh, God. Hmm. Is this fun or what? Okay. Almost there. Let's do these. Hmm. Not sure what to do here. Where does this tile set thing get saved? Isn't there any file in here that is used to store this data? Oh, these ones are a bit more tricky, huh? So I need to add how many points? 2? Wait, 1 point. Add one here. No, wait. Yes? No. Should be 2 in here, no? Whatever. This is fine, maybe? Yeah, this is fine. Can I, like, would be nice to be able to, like, rotate this shape or something. Well, I guess I can just do this and this. Oh, right, I need just slap another one in here, whatever. Oh yeah, they should line up here. Crap. So it's smooth when the player collides into them, right? Wait, what? Oh, I didn't do the same thing on this one, huh? Shit. Oh no. Okay. Can I make this larger? Okay. Cannot make this window tall. Can I make this center view? That's working, right? Wait, what have I done? No! Shit. Uh, mm, 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 mm. That is okay-ish for now, I guess. So if I go and make some floor here and then walls, all should come together, I think. So floor doesn't have a tile set. Drop this in. Hello? Oh, new tile set. Then drop this in here. Wait, I don't need a new tile set. I have one tile set. Quick load? Allowed resources makes sense. Wait. This one has a tile set. Why can I not use this tile set on the other one? Load? But like, where is this tile set here? Resource? What? What is this path? Wait, that's not for the tile set, is it? It is. What? I mean, whatever. Can I copy this? Load? From here? Come on. I can copy the full path? Can I, like, in this tile set, save as? What? No. Main? Is this scene a tile set thingy? I'm confused here. Like, this tile set is being used here. But if I, for example, remove it from this thing, do I lose this tile set forever? Like, how do I find it again? I don't know what this path is. Save as? What if I do save? Saved where though? What is this? Save as? File set? And res? Save? Oh, it is a tile set here. Okay. So can I now put it here? I think that worked. So now on the floor, I want to paint with this. And in the walls, I want to make some small walls just to test out some collisions. Right. So what am I gonna paint here? Wait, what? Oh, paint. I'm gonna make walls here, I guess. Oh, right. This one I cannot stick it anywhere because it's gonna look funny. Oh, and I need a half thingy. I'll think about that later. Wait, now if I want to make any changes to the tile set, I mess up the collision thingy. Maybe if I draw on the side it won't ruin it? Because I'm technically painting over all of this, I think. So if I draw to the side, maybe it doesn't ruin it? Or maybe it does. Alright. I mean, I can make a tiny wall here, I guess. Oh, I don't even have the other bit. Oh, I need this in 4 directions. Well, good thing I'm trying this out, I guess. Let's see what I did wrong. Gotta be like this then? Yes. Ooh, and I collide! Awesome! Do the enemies collide? They do! Great! How do we fight? Oh, right. I wanted to make the walls collide with stuff though. Stop, you stupid cat! But I don't have that turned on yet. Yeah, it just goes across. That's what I want to do next. But I think I want to try to just see if I can correct what I did wrong on the tile set. Let's see, in here, my tile set, looking at the paint, can I move all of this? Select. I want to move the painting. Add polygon tool, edit points tool, delete points tool, reset to default tile shape, clear, rotate right. Oh, I should have done that earlier. Oh my god. It'll be so much quicker. I can just rotate these things. Shit. Okay, good to know. Right, but all these tools are just for this. Can I mess with this here? Doesn't look like it. I guess I'll just redo it. Now that I know that I can flip and whatnot. I don't even know why I didn't think of that. That's obviously needs to be a feature. Man, but it would be really convenient to move these painted areas. Oh, and you can do this as well. Oh my god, that would have been good as well. Painting linear velocity, angular velocity, what are these things? Well, let's make the tile set what I need it to be and I think about that later. So this thing, that's a lot of sprite. I mean, a lot of tiles. Make the tiny wall work in all directions and whatnot. Because I need points in all directions. Then I also need the thingies to integrate with the other walls. Tell you what if I do it like this? I don't care, I'm just gonna move all of this. I'll just paint the collisions on again. Right. Now, this thing I need another one of these, and I need to rotate it. How do I snap it? Like that. Okay, right? I need that. These things... I need... I mean, it's easy enough to do this, right? What? Ah. Wait. That's not it. Okay. So I have the thingy in both directions, all the end bits I need, and now I need something that mixes this, you know, with the other thingy. This and this, right? I mean, this. And need to fix this here. What? Oh, using the eraser. Maybe I need to paint these manually, I don't know. Oh, but they may not fit well together, actually. Let me see. Actually didn't think of that. What if I put two of these in a row? Huh? Looks good. I don't know if that was always gonna look good or if I got lucky. I think that was always gonna look good, right? Because the amount of tiles is even, so it's always gonna end up with a different pattern here. So it's always gonna align with the next one, I think. Let me draw this by hand. So grab how do I fix this? I guess I just wait. If I take all of this and move it down a thingy. Wait, wrong selection? Right? No. I guess these are not supposed to be there? I don't know. Yeah, like that. The problem that I have to check for is, what if I now Oh my god, I removed a little bit there. Oh, shit. There. Okay, what if I put this here? It's cooked! Shit. Because I moved it all, right? So it needs to be the other way around? What I mean by that is flip this thing, then put it here or something. Or maybe this was fine, the problem was this. But if I change all of this, then it's not gonna line up with the rest. Hmm. Yeah, for example, if I were to put this on top of this, it wouldn't work as well. So this style is wrong relative to the other ones. Same issue here. I think all the other ones will fit. This one doesn't though. How do I fix this? Is it fixable? Should be. Let me do this again. So I know I want it to end like this, right? And I want half of this. No, yeah, like this. So it needs to be like this. So now I need to blend it here seamlessly. Can I do that? I don't think so. I mean, if it does this weird thing, I think it may be okay, actually. Wait, did I just do the same thing again and remove that? Face palm! Let me copy all of this. Copy this. Now I reverse my mistake. Okay. And now I paste it here. Okay, get rid of this one, I think. Because, like, if I put this here now... Wait. It works, and here it works as well, right? So this is fine. Let's actually put this one here. This here, we'll rotate it. We'll rotate, make 4 of these. Press shift to snap. What did I do there? Okay. I have all of these. That's getting kind of weird. But I think I need these if I want to make the tiny walls. I'm not sure if I want to make the tiny walls, but I think they should be useful. I mean, I don't need them now just to test collisions and whatnot, but I think it's a good learning experience to do this. And yeah, tiny walls are important if I want to make like divisions, like rooms within the same level and whatnot, I think. I could do thick walls. Thick walls are 16 pixels instead of 8. It's not that thick. Right? I just pick up one of these. And one of these. I think it will be good to have the tiny walls. If not, then whatever. And I wanted one additional tile, which would be... Let me just test something here. So what happens if I try to make like an intersection of walls? Right, doesn't work. I would need one of these blocks, full blocks, put it here, right? To make a thingy. If I want to, like a small, like a place where two small walls cross each other, I need another thingy here. Which would be... What would it be? So you would need something like this. Well, and like this. And let's say I want this as well. Right? And these are gonna line up well with everything else. Wait, they're not. Oh, they're not supposed to line up with this. But they would line up with this, right? Yeah, it would line up with this as well. So now I just need to make them work in here. If it looks a bit off, that's okay-ish, maybe? Yeah, same issue as before. Can't really connect them, but I can do this and it gets pretty close. It's gonna look like this. It's not terrible. Better than having stuff like this, I think. Yeah, I think this is better. I don't think there's a point in doing that, but I can have the exact same thing like this. But see, they match up well here. That's good. I think that's everything I need. For here? I don't know. I'm gonna save this, I think. So, how do I do this again? I toss this, right? Look at this. The hell? Yeah, I just killed everything here. Can I... What if I... Okay, I can just clear these. And in here... Wait, what? I'll set. I can put in the new thing. So here. And then here. Yes, okay. And now it's a question of adding colliders to all of this. So let's make this as big as I can. Let's make the paint, let's get the paint thingy, get the physics layer thingy. Make this big, yes. Zoom in. Okay. So that one would be for this, right? Just painted that? No. Now for this one, I just rotate this. Left. Yes. For this one, I rotate again to the left. For this one, once more. There we go, that's easy. Here I do this. Okay. For these. Can I delete these things? Oh, just right click them. Pull. Just need squares from now on, I think. Right there and right there. Put it here. On this one, rotate right. Oh, there's a shortcut for these things, which is E. That's even faster. Holy! Wait, paint this one, then here, E again, paint it. Holy, that's so fast. There's no way to move it all, right? Flip? Wait, flip vertically. That's cool, but not what I need. There, this one we go right and paint it. Okay, now on these we shorten this thing. Here? No, here, I think. Maybe? I don't know. Okay, paint it. Now rotate, rotate, rotate. There we go. Next, let's do this one. Is this no? Let's do these first because they need less points. How many points do I need here? 2 more, right? 1, 2. There could be that it could happen that if the walls are so thin like these, maybe the collision shapes stop making sense. I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to say. There. Paint this one right. Oh, this one right. Wait, did I mess up? No. 1, 2, 3. Wait, I needed another one of these. I trolled. I missed one of these. No. Oh my god. There's gotta be a way to save this painting thing. What's this? Oh. Wait, what if I do... No. Can't select all of them. Can you? No. What do I do? I just need one more sprite here. One more tile, I mean. Gosh darn it. What do I do? I just need to move these two to the side and head a new one here, but... The thing is, if I replace this, all this thing is destroyed, no? Atlas texture is modified. Would you like to automatically create tiles in the Atlas? Yeah? I just created a new one, right? This one has this one doesn't. See if ChatGPT is fluent in these things. I doubt it. Do you know the thing where you paint physics layer onto a tile set in Godot? Yes, of course. ChatGPT never admits he doesn't know something. Yeah, collision shapes, yeah. Well, this it seems to know how it's done. Hold shift while painting collision shapes to snap to grid, right? Right. What I really want to know, sir, is if I can copy what I painted on one set to another. I want to copy the physics, collision shapes from one tile to another in Godot. The answer is no, not from one tile to the other. Copy paste collision shape. Not between tiles. Between tile sets. Not directly through the UI, workaround. Duplicate the text resolution. That's what I have, yeah. Open it and make your edits. What? All your collision shapes will be preserved? What? Duplicate. Make your edits. New tiles, textures. I'm going to duplicate this thing so I don't destroy this, I guess. Tile set 2. Right. Now I'm on my tile set 2. Delete node walls. No. What? Oh, delete here. So let's fix this here. Please move to the side. What? Oh, wrong layer. And what am I missing? This, right? Yes. Control Shift Alt S. There. Now if I go here, can I override this? Doesn't look like it. Wait, what did I do? Can create new thingies? But if I open merging tool, manage tile properties, texture. Oh, do I put it here? But if I go and paint, oh yes, okay. I think I can delete this one. Go to my actual tile set. Oh, it's already replaced. I just need to create the thingies again. Because now it's using the new PNG. Wait, what did I just do? I don't know what I just did there. This thing I don't need. And in here, I need to create the new thingies. How do we do that? Wait, what? I don't know how you prop this to create the new thingies, but right, everything's fine it seems. So good learning experience, I guess. So I want this. Wait. Select this. Put it here. Rotate it. There we go. Paint it there. These are all fine. Now this one. You can't use the scroll wheel to zoom in here, which is stupid. There? Only missing these now. Let's copy what... I guess this? Godot exploded? What? How did my Godot just crashed? The hell? It's insane. I didn't save. Are you joking? Wait, what the It's the worst day of my life. How did this happen? I saved way after this. What the hell? Gosh darn it. Doesn't make sense. Didn't I save after this? There. B. Pick this, paint this, pick this, paint this, pick this, paint this, pick this, paint this. No problem. Solve this in no time. How do you clear this? Clear. Wait, what? Oh. There. Wait, where did this one go? Clear is C. Clear this, clear this, clear this, clear this. Okay. Pick this, paint it here, rotate it, paint it. Okay, these are good. Pick. Wait, no. Pick this. Okay. Now this one. Can I make this? What? Why can I not make this thicker? Can I put numbers in here? Guess not. Whatever. There's gotta be a way to zoom in more on this. Oh, control scroll wheel works. Okay. Great to know. By the way, save! Save! Holy. Which one is that one? This. How do I pick this? Yeah, these are not super tight here. Could give me some issues later on. Wait, what? What happened to this guy? Okay. Right. I wonder, yeah, maybe these, need to change these, I think. Make the edges, either make the edges smoother or, yeah, the edges smoother should make sense, actually. Okay. So just add another thingy here, I guess, and do this. That's slightly better. All right. No wait, yeah, this is correct, I think. Let's just go like this. And save! Save! Okay, let's try to draw a little bit. Tile map. Wait. Here. Take this. Oh, okay. I guess that's because I changed what was in here, right? But I can just paint everything again. And this in here. Oh, never mind, this one. And these are all cooked, so I'll just delete all of these. What? Oh. Okay. I should have done them like this so they would all fit in here, huh? Oh well. So let's wait, what? Things off with my pen again. Am I activating the nibble or whatever it is? No. Why can I not? Why can I draw? But I can't change the thingy here with my pen. Super weird. I'll just paint. Sorry. Just paint with my mouse. See what I was talking about? The tiles are relatively small to the player, so having a lot of detail on the collision shapes kind of doesn't make a lot of sense, maybe? Oh man, I'm actually destroying my hand doing this and I have a gaming session with my buddies later. Oh. Oh, I should also have. Nah. I was thinking. Yeah, kinda. I should have bends, you know? I cannot bend this wall in a natural way, you know? Like, I can do this, right? But stupid. Oh my god, I need more tiles. 4 more tiles. Ugh. Sheesh. I mean, I don't need all the tiles. Like having constraints in how to draw is fine, I guess, but Yeah, those walls are too thin, right? I don't think... I mean, with this scale at least, I think I'm never gonna make walls that thin. So, maybe I don't need all of that. Let me try to make medium size walls, which would be these. These make more sense, probably. So all this shenanigans probably goes away. Yeah, these are perfectly fine, I think, in terms of thickness for making separate rooms and whatnot. The tiny ones would be for something else, I think. I think room walls, this thickness here is more than enough, or just right. I even say that. All right, time to commit all of this because I gotta go. Wait. Project CCLH. Right, change the naming at the start of that and edit the tile set stuff. Add, commit this as add placeholder tile set, right? I think so. Add placeholder tile set. Push this. Let's go, let's go. Side to side, let's go. Okay. So tomorrow, now that I have walls, I think I'm going to make it so the balls bounce off walls, I guess. Because I need... Yeah, I think there will be a common mechanic. Stuff that collides with walls, yeah. All the toys. The drone shouldn't go across walls as well. The laser, I don't know how I'm gonna handle it. Oh, and I can dash through walls. That's probably not gonna stay that way. I need to change that. Let me write that down so I don't forget to do that tomorrow. What? Wait, what? Oh, I logged in into a different Trello account. She change account? Wait, this one? Wait, I'm on the right one? No, wrong one. Change account. Paul, are you there? What's the name of What's my name on our Trello board? He's not here anymore. Shit. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, it's this account, I think. Please. There we go. So the placeholder tile set and time map I actually didn't move it to doing, but I'll consider that done for now. And tomorrow, bug fix player dashing through walls. That is a code thing. Save, top of the list. And what did I say as well? Oh, right. Add toy wall collision, which is also code. And this is the second thing I'm gonna do tomorrow. Hopefully I do both things tomorrow. So that's it from me today. Thanks for hanging, everybody that was here. Thanks for still needs work for the ride again. I know he's not here, but whatever. And yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Hope to see some of you guys here again. And yeah, that's it. Stay safe.